Where's my email? Do I have Microsoft Word? On My Portal is a section for your RCCD student email. Click on the link that says Office 365. It will open a new tab and open Outlook with your RCCD student email. Click on the menu icon or app launcher in the upper left corner. Then click on the blue link Office 365. You will see all the online Microsoft apps available for your use. You can download and install Office 365 to your desktop or laptop computer. Click the drop-down Install Office. Select the option to download that works with your computer. Save the file and follow the on-screen instructions. You will use your RCCD student email for the login account information. Thank you for watching this tutorial.